Welcome to the historically accurate cartoon princess dances. Today we are doing the 4 dances of the Nutcracker. Today's Victorian dance will be the waltz. We have 2 waltzes for our Waltz of the Flowers, something old and something new. The something old is the Pirouette waltz out of France from 1816 that Wilson describes. It is the Regency era waltz. This is the waltz that you see done in the ballet today. Then you have Clara's waltz, or the new waltz out of Boston that became popular in 1830. This is the box waltz that we know of today. And we will, in addition to that, we will also do the diagonal waltz that came in around 1860, which is a variation of the new waltz. So take an adventure, a dance adventure, into the waltz. The French Pirouette waltz of 1816, described by Wilson, was a very popular dance in the Regency era and one of the very early of our slow waltzes. This is the waltz we still see done solo in the ballet today, and it will look like this. Wilson's description begins with a march in a side-by-side position, gentleman gently clasping the lady's left hand with his left hand, right hands held behind the lady's back. Gentleman will commence in hesitation timing forward with his left foot, then right foot, then left, then right for 4 slow hesitations. Lady, right, then left. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end of the march, couple will turn to face one another, dancing into their pirouette waltz. The gentleman will go side left foot, right foot behind left foot, pirouette on the toes. Then he will step forward, pas de bourrée, forward, forward. And then we repeat until the end of the song. So the first waltz for Clara is the new waltz of 1830 out of Boston. This is our natural turn. It will be for the gentleman commencing left foot back side together, the lady right foot forward side together. And then the gentleman will go forward side together with the right foot, and the lady back side together with the left foot. It will look like this. Back, side together, forward, side together. The second Victorian waltz we're looking at for Clara and the Nutcracker is the diagonal waltz. This is a variation on the new waltz from Boston. The diagonal waltz will be gentlemen back side together of our right waltz, a change step with the right foot forward side together, a reverse turn. This was a highly scandalous move out of America that was not generally done in Europe until close to 1900. Forward side together with the left foot, turning left, and then back side together with the right foot. Gentlemen back side together, forward side together, forward side together, back side together. Ready to begin again. Ladies part. Forward side together, back side together, back side together, forward side together. And that is your quick dance tip.